Every time I drive by Shoppers Corner, I get a little kick out of knowing we put the solar panels up there.
Allterra Solar is such an incredible small business.
Allterra Solar is one of many wonderful solar contractors here in Santa Cruz that are helping residents, not just in Santa Cruz, but across the Central Coast, to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. But what distinguishes them is they're always willing to help out. At the City of Santa Cruz, that may mean hosting a green business mixer, or just reviewing our materials to try to promote incentives on solar PV here in the city to our residents.
I go to James Allen and Allterra Solar with challenges, with business questions. We won Entrepreneur of the Year for a startup we did called Buoy. It was a smart home device for water. We didn't know a whole lot about plumbing when we started. We knew a lot about water. We knew a lot about data. And when we asked them to help, they helped us install the first buoys around Santa Cruz.
And it's just like every other business, even Santa Cruz County Bank. How did we get out there? We got involved in our community, just like James. Obviously, as a business development officer at Santa Cruz County Bank, I was like, yay, let's talk to them. So years and years we spoke.
Allterra Solar in particular is known for its community engagement. It's known for its generosity. It's part of the culture of the company. We see them thrive off of referrals. We see them come through in a pinch when the community needs them. We see them donating to important causes, sponsoring important community events, and all of that is through authentic relationship building that they've done over years.
Obviously, you talk about finances as a banker, correct? But we saw something there that we knew was going to grow, and we could grow with them.
The Community Foundation building located at 7807 Soquel Avenue in Aptos is a beautiful spectacle of green building and green innovation, and it's wonderful to have Allterra Solar be a part of that. They literally power what we do every day.
Now that they're into energy storage, I'm really excited about their potential. Solar and renewable energy are key strategies to the city and the community achieving our local and state climate targets because we're replacing the fossil fuels that we typically use to power our lives.
They have been committed to this community for a very long time. They're growing, they're providing a lot of fantastic jobs, and they're providing green jobs for our community, and that matters.
We see people who've been with the company for years, who are passionate about what they do.
I love the team. It's the best team around. We are the best solar company, pound for pound, in California. Yeah, when we first started off, we weren't even doing solar. We were doing environmental consulting work, cleaning up old polluted gas stations, and as that work kind of dried up, we knew we needed something new. And so in 2011, we switched into the solar business. This is when we kept on hiring really terrific people, and we built to 15 people, to 20, to 30, now all the way up to 36. So from 2011 to 2024, it's been a wild ride of just riding that solar wave and just trying to contain it all. And it's been great. It's been really fun.